Good afternoon, motorheads and gearheads alike. Part 2 of the AFE Scorcher GT module install. It's all in. It literally takes like 5 minutes, but I took my time, of course, because I'm a neat freak. Something odd though, it has the zip ties and the module and the Velcro pads, but the module itself came with a one of the pads already attached to the back side of it, so I just had to use the other side of this. So there's a whole free extra set that you don't need. And then on top of it, they include these two double-sided red sticker things, and it does not show that in the parts included, so I have no idea what these are for. I hope it's not important, but anyway. So I guess I did what they recommended. It's probably hard to see. The AFE Scorcher is back there. I ran the wires through that little opening right there. And pretty simple. One end goes into the map sensor. The other end goes into the AFE Scorcher. The wires lead back into the big harness. And then you follow the harness up to the IAT sensor up here in front. One end goes into the sensor itself. The other end goes into the AFE Scorcher GT module harness, back to its home up there. So I'm not thrilled with the wires. I'm such a neat freak. I don't know, the wires kind of bother me, but I try to do the best I can. I kind of zip tied them right there, and then again right there, and the other line goes along the bottom, along those lines there. So it's, I mean, I guess it's as neat as you can get it. So I mean, oh well. All right, so the moment of truth. Let's start her up and see if there's any error codes. And what I'm nervous and scared about right now is it has to be in sleep mode, because there's a huge warning when you open the box. There's a big piece of white paper. It says warning or stop. You have to make sure it's in sleep mode. And so when I got home this morning, the first thing I did, the engine was warm because I ran some errands. I pulled in the garage, I opened the hood, I closed the doors, and I locked the car, and then wait 20 minutes. Well, I did all that, but it's been literally, it's probably been like 8 hours or 8 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. So I hope that's okay. So anyway, let's start her up. Oops, I just hit my phone. All right. Now I'm second guessing myself. The module's secure on top of the brake reservoir. Both sensors are connected, zip tied. All right, let's see what happens. Well, I'll be a son of a biznatch. No warning lights. Well, let's go to... Oops. Let's go to vehicle, performance, performance pages, dyno. Okay, so this is where I'll be tomorrow. My package arrived. As you can tell, it's 3:40 in the afternoon. I'll probably have to go get some gas in the car. Once I get gas, I want to make sure everything is equal to what I did yesterday. Yesterday I did a video, and the video I did yesterday was horrible. I tried doing this with one hand and steer with the other hand and get a horsepower reading. So you just go to that video where you see this picture right here, but it's all shaky and terrible. I just wanted to get a raw video of how much horsepower and torque the actual Dodge performance pages shows, which I don't think is accurate at all. But I got, more importantly, if I could scroll through here. There we go. I did a 0 to 60 run in 5.9 seconds, and it was a totally flat place of land. And I'm gonna go back to the same spot. And so, most importantly, I'm gonna put in, I didn't drive hardly at all since yesterday's run that I did, that video I did. So I'll probably put in 2 gallons of gas to make sure everything's equal, the same weight and everything else. And then I'm gonna go out to that same spot. And the temperature's the same. It's gonna be probably maybe 10, 15 degrees at the most colder today and tomorrow. So I gotta take that into consideration. It's gonna be a little bit colder, but the tire pressures are all the same. So that's it, guys. I am surprised. Usually for me, I don't want to sit here and cry a story, but usually it takes me two tries to get something to fix it, or 2 tries to get something installed or do it right the first time. And well, guess what? Wires are good. They're out of the way, and the zip tied. I have to cut the excess off down there. Oh, okay, guys, see, I'm an idiot. I didn't turn it on yet. Oh no, it's on. Okay, that blue light means it's on. I got scared there for a second. I thought it wasn't on yet. It's on. Isn't that cool? Let's go back and see if there's any error. Key fob has left the vehicle. Not really, it's only 5 feet away. Okay. Home. I am not getting any error messages or lights or any of that stuff. Uh-oh, I hear some modified exhaust sounds. Okay, so guys, okay, so it's probably the placebo effect here. I don't want to sound weird or anything, or just, I'm very skeptical, guys. So trust me, I don't think this is going to get my car a whole lot of more power, and I'm going to be fast. I'm going to beat everybody on the streets. I'm very skeptical, so that's why I don't mind being the guinea pig for you guys. I'm installing this. I spent over $300 on it. We'll see what happens. It promises 12 horsepower and 21 pounds of torque at the wheels, because it's a dyno graph that said that. And it also said faster throttle response and all this other stuff. Well, guess what? I mean, just now sitting in park in my garage, and I hit the gas pedal, I swear it revs faster. It's immediate. It's just immediate. And I usually don't get those kind of pops in the exhaust either. I get a few, but something's definitely changed with the air mixture, the gas mixture. I usually never get those pops constantly, continuously or consistently like that. I'll get some pops in the exhaust, but not, I mean, it just keeps doing it. Okay guys, video's getting too long. I hate that. Sorry for the long video. I'm out. Please like, subscribe. I got a lot more stuff coming. I'm gonna do some more mods. Speaking of that, real quick, since I got you guys, I put those carbon mirror caps on. I don't care for stuff like that, like caliper covers and mirror cap covers, but I think that looks pretty cool with the silver, the black, and the black wheels. I think it goes well. That's about it really as far as mods. But then I'm going to do, in one of the next videos coming up, you can say goodbye to the wiper blade. I got a rear wiper delete kit coming, and I'll do a whole install on that one as well. But the next video will be me taking this out and see how this, I'm gonna test the Scorcher. I'm gonna see how this AFE Scorcher does. So stay tuned for the next video. Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next one.